A long time ago, a famous art gallery announced a big competition to find the most peaceful painting in the world. Thousands of artists participated, each hoping to capture the true meaning of peace. They painted beautiful scenes, soft sunlight over quiet mountains, a calm river reflecting the sky, and wide green fields under a golden sun. Each artist believed their painting showed the perfect image of peace. On the final day, excitement filled the gallery. 100 paintings were displayed, each more stunning than the last. The judges walked through the hall, carefully examining each piece. A crystal-clear lake surrounded by tall, still trees. A small wooden cabin in a snowy valley with smoke curling from its chimney. A field of flowers stretching far into the distance, butterflies floating above. Every painting looked peaceful and perfect, making it hard to choose a winner. Then, the moment came. A large curtain covered the winning painting, and as it was pulled away, the crowd gasped in surprise. The painting was different. It did not show calmness or beauty. Instead, it showed a raging storm. Dark clouds twisted in the sky, rain poured heavily, and lightning flashed across the heavens. Strong winds bent the trees, and a powerful waterfall crashed over sharp rocks. It was chaos, not peace. People whispered in confusion. How could this painting win? The gallery owner stepped forward and spoke. Look closely. The crowd leaned in. At first, they only saw the wild storm. But then, in one corner of the painting, they noticed a small house. A warm light glowed from its tiny window. A man stood inside, looking out at the storm. His face was calm. His eyes were peaceful. He was not afraid. He was not troubled. He simply watched, accepting the storm around him. The gallery owner smiled. "This," he said, "is true peace. Peace is not the absence of storms. It is not perfect stillness. Peace is what remains inside us, even when the world outside is in chaos." The room was silent. Slowly, people began to understand. They nodded and smiled. The winning painting had captured something deeper than just beauty. It had shown the power of inner peace. In life, we often think peace means having no problems, no worries, and no struggles. We believe we will feel peaceful only when everything is easy. But life doesn't work that way. Storms will come. We will face hard times, challenges, and uncertainties. If our peace depends on a perfect life, we will always feel shaken by the storms. True peace comes from within. It means standing strong, even when life is difficult. It means staying calm, even when everything around us is uncertain. It means knowing that no matter what happens, we will not be broken. The man in the painting did not try to stop the storm. He did not run away in fear. He simply stood, watching, knowing that the storm would pass. He did not need the world to be peaceful for him to feel peace. If we learn this, no storm in life will ever shake us. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this story. Until next time, take care and keep moving forward.